So I think if we start to look at the demand in the international trade and the barriers that are dropping and allowing the facility for China trade, for example. So what we're seeing is that we're seeing an influx of opportunities within the UK to trade with China. As the markets align and the barriers come down, there are more and more people and businesses that have the demand to trade with China. And as a result, Europe at the moment is expecting quite a high demand of opportunities from China. Well, I think when we look at the international markets, I mean, the markets generally have been quite volatile over the last kind of 5 to 10 years. And I think what we're seeing is that we're seeing kind of markets align with each other. And as a result, countries like China are looking outside of their borders to be able to trade with other countries, and vice versa. Europe is looking for the opportunities within China, and as a result of that, it massages the opportunity for trade to happen between those two countries. So Europe is enjoying some interesting opportunities at the moment. I mean, I think that when we look at the difficulties with doing trading with China, I think when we look at regulations, I also think when we look at cultural and language difficulties, I think that having the opportunity where ministers come over and present themselves in the UK definitely opens the door and to a certain extent educates people and businesses with the opportunities of doing business with China. I think once again, I think that opening up trade with somewhere like China opens up opportunities not only to do business with China, but I think it opens up opportunities to do business with partners, with merchants, with the general public. And if we take, for example, the opportunity in education, there are currently 500,000 Chinese students that are studying across Europe. And as a result of that, there's lots of mums and dads that are looking at wanting to pay for courses and pay for educational schooling aids by the use of paying with CNY, and that opens up opportunities for companies like Geoswift, banks, and it massages the whole wheels of trade. That sector alone, is one of about five or six sectors that I see over the next 12 months that will grow in stature, and as a result of that, grow opportunities within the industry. 2020 is a fantastic event. I spent 10 years in payments myself. We were at Las Vegas last year, and we've been supporting Money2020 since pretty much it started. We've seen some fantastic traffic here. This gives us a great opportunity and a platform to present Geoswift to the partners and the merchants here in EU. We've had a fantastic show, and we're looking forward to supporting 2020 for the foreseeable future.